Good morning students. In this video I am going to revision for unit 9 solution lesson. What is solution? Already we know solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substance. Solution contains two substances, one is solid and another one is solvent. So solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substance. In a solution, how many compounds present? Minimum two compounds present. One is solid, another one is solvent. What is solid? In a solution, the compound which is present in lesser amount by weight is called solute. The solution contains solid particle present in lesser amount. These lesser amount particles are called as solute. In same manner, the component in a solution, the component which is present in larger amount by weight is called solvent. The solution contains another one component, solvent. The solvent particle present in larger amount in a solution. Larger amount in a solution is called solvent. So every solution contains two components, one is solid, another one is solvent. Solid present in lesser amount, solvent present in larger amount in a solution. The solid get distributed uniformly throughout the solvent and thus forming the homogeneous mixture of homogeneous. So every solution forming homogeneous mixture. The solvent acts as a dissolving medium in solution. Solvent acts as a dissolving medium in a solution. What is dissolution? The process of uniform distribution of solid into solvent. The process of uniform distribution of solid into solvent is called dissolution. See this diagram. Solid particles. These solid particles are the solvent. So we get homogeneous mixture of solution. This is formation of solution. Solid dissolved in solvent, we get solution. What solution? Homogeneous solution. Based on particle component, the solution classified into two types. One is binary solution, another one is ternary solution. What is binary solution? Bi means two component. Bi means what? Two component. Two component present in a binary solution. One is one solid, one solvent dissolved in a solution is called binary solution. The solution must at least being consisting two component. What are the two component? One solid, one solvent. Such solution which are made up of one solid and one solvent are called binary solution. The example of binary solution: adding copper sulfate crystals into water. Copper sulfate crystals dissolved in a water. Copper sulfate is a solid, water is a solvent. So two components present in this solution. So this solution called as binary solution. It's this copper sulfate crystal dissolved. Copper sulfate crystal to water. It dissolved in water, forming a solution of copper sulfate solution. Is contain two components, that is one solid. What is solid? Copper sulfate. One solvent. Water acts as a solvent. So it is a binary solution. Similarly, the solution may contain more than two components. For example, if salt and sugar are added to water. Salt and water added to water. The salt and water are act as a solid. Water act as a solvent. Both dissolved in the salt and sugar. Both dissolved in water, forming a solution. Here, two solid are dissolved in one solvent. What are the two solid particles? One is salt, another one is sugar. These two salt are dissolved in one solvent. Who acts as one solvent? Water acts as a solvent. Such kind of solutions which contains three components are called ternary solution. Ternary solution. What is binary solution? Two components present in a solution. What are the two components? One solid and one solvent present in a solution is called binary solution. What is ternary solution? Three components. What are the three components? Two solid particles dissolved in one solvent is called as ternary solution. So three components present in this solution. So this is called ternary solution. Ternary solution. This is example of binary solution. Binary solution. This is copper sulfate blue color. This is the copper sulfate crystals dissolved in water. We get blue color solution. This is copper sulfate solution. This is formation of copper sulfate solution. Next one, types of solution. Types of solution. First, based on physical states of the solid and solvent. This is types of binary solution. First, solid solution. Solid in solid. Example, copper dissolved in gold. Example, alloys. Liquid in solid. Mercury with sodium. This is amalgam. Another one, liquid solution. Liquid solution. Solid acts as a solid particle. Solvent acts as a liquid. So, solid in liquid. Example, sodium chloride dissolved in water. Another one, liquid solution. Liquid in liquid. Ethyl alcohol dissolved in water. Ethyl alcohol dissolved in water. The last liquid solution, gas in liquid. Gas in liquid. Gas acts as a solid particles. Liquid acts as a solvent particles. So, gas in gas example, carbon dioxide dissolved in water. Example, soda water. Soda water. Next one, gaseous solution. Gaseous solution. Liquid in gas. Liquid acts as a solid, gas acts as a solvent. So, example of liquid in gas, water vapor in air. Water vapor in air, that is cloud. Last one, gas in gas. Example, mixture of helium oxygen gas. Mixture of helium oxygen gas. These are types of binary solution based on physical states. This types of binary solution is a very important one more question. Learn this topic thoroughly. Let's move on another type of solvent based on the types of solvent. Based on types of solvent. Most of the substances are soluble in water. Already we know most of the substances are soluble in water. That is why water is called as universal solvent. Important one more question. Water is act as a universal solvent. Who act as a universal solvent? Water act as a universal solvent. However, some substances do not dissolve in water. Therefore, the other solvents such as ether, benzene, alcohol, these substances are used to prepare to the solution. So, on this basis of types of solvent, solution are classified into two types. What are the two types? One is aqueous solution, another one is non-aqueous solution. One is aqueous solution, another one is non-aqueous solution. Let's see aqueous solution. What is aqueous solution? The solution in which water acts as a solvent. Who acts as a solvent? Water acts as a solvent. That is called aqueous solution. Aqueous solution. Every solid particle dissolved in solvent. What solvent? Water solvent. So, water acts as a solvent means this type of solution is called as aqueous solution. Example, common salt in water, sugar in water, copper sulfate in water. These are the example of aqueous solution. So, water acts as a solvent means this type of solution is called aqueous solution. Let's move on another type of solution, non-aqueous solution. Non-aqueous solution. The solution in which any liquid other than water act as a solvent is called non-aqueous solution. Non-aqueous solution. Solvent other than water refers to non-aqueous solvent. What are the non-aqueous solvent? One is alcohol, benzene, ether, carbon disulfide, acetone. These are the non-aqueous solvent. These non-aqueous solvent act as a solvent. Example of non-aqueous solution. Non-aqueous solution. sulfur dissolved in carbon disulfide, sulfur dissolved in carbon disulfide, and iodine dissolved in carbon tetrachloride, iodine dissolved in carbon tetrachloride. These are the example of non-aqueous solution. Non-aqueous solvent example: alcohol, benzene, ether, carbon disulfide, acetone. Once again recall, what is aqueous solution? Aqueous solution, water acts as in a solution, water acts as a solvent means aqueous solution. What is non-aqueous solution? So in a solution which any liquid other than water acts as a solvent means this type of solution is called non-aqueous solution. What are the non-aqueous solvent example? Alcohol, benzene, ether, carbon disulfide. Dear children, types of solution and what is solution, types of solution and types of binary solutions are very important topics. So learn this today's topics for your examination. Thank you, students.